If you want your engine to last, you have to hear this. Because honestly, most drivers are unknowingly destroying their engines, all because they skip one simple habit that could save them thousands in repairs. It's not a fancy additive, it's not an expensive service, and it's not something the dealership will ever tell you. But if you ignore it, your engine will slowly wear out until it fails long before it should. That habit is inspecting and maintaining the hidden weak points under your hood. Small components that cost almost nothing to fix now, but turn into catastrophic engine repairs later. And today, I'm going to show you the exact steps experienced mechanics use to make engines last hundreds of thousands of miles without major failures. Let's start with the most overlooked one. Your PCV system, also known as the positive crankcase ventilation valve. Most people have never checked it, and some don't even know it exists. But this tiny $10 to $25 valve controls internal pressure in your engine. When it clogs, oil gets pushed into the intake, causing carbon buildup, misfires, high oil consumption, and eventually engine failure. You'd never think a small valve could kill an engine, but mechanics see it all the time. Checking and replacing the PCV valve once a year can save you thousands in repairs. Next is something even more drivers ignore: engine ground wires. These wires connect your engine to the car's frame, allowing sensors, ignition coils, and electronics to communicate properly. When the ground is corroded or loose, your engine starts misfiring, running rough or throwing random error codes. People waste hundreds replacing coils and sensors when the real problem is a dirty ground wire connection. Cleaning these contacts with a wire brush and tightening the bolts takes 5 minutes, and it can instantly fix issues that would cost a mechanic hundreds to diagnose. Now let's talk about coolant, because honestly, old coolant is one of the silent killers of modern engines. When coolant breaks down, it loses its anti-corrosion properties. That means your thermostat, water pump, radiator, and even your heater core start rusting from the inside. Many $1,000+ repair bills come from nothing more than neglected coolant. Changing coolant every 40,000 to 50,000 miles keeps your engine temperature stable and prevents major failures like head gasket leaks. Another huge money-saving habit is checking for vacuum leaks early. A tiny crack in a vacuum hose can cause rough idle, high fuel consumption, random stalling, and in some cases, catalytic converter damage. The worst part, most vacuum hoses are under $20, but the problems they cause can lead to repairs costing thousands. A simple smoke test or visual inspection can prevent all of it. Now, let's move to something most drivers never check: the condition of their serpentine belt. When this belt cracks or wears out, it can snap while driving, causing your alternator, AC, power steering, and water pump to stop instantly. A snapped belt can even cause overheating, which is one of the fastest ways to destroy an engine. A quick check every few months can save you from getting stranded, and from replacing an engine that overheated. Here's another underrated but, really powerful habit: keeping your air filter clean. A dirty air filter restricts airflow, which forces your engine to burn more fuel and work harder. Over time, this actually increases carbon buildup, shortens spark plug life, and just reduces your engine's efficiency. Filters cost almost nothing to replace, but ignoring them slowly kills your engine and your fuel economy. Let's talk about oil leaks, because, honestly, most people ignore them until it's just too late. Even a slow drip from a valve cover gasket or oil pan gasket eventually causes low oil levels, and low oil is one of the top causes of rod knock, bearing damage, and, well, complete engine failure. If you spot oil under your car, or notice the level dropping on the dipstick, fix the leak early. A $50 gasket today is so much better than a $4,000 engine replacement later. Now here's a trick that experienced mechanics use all the time: listening to cold starts. If your engine rattles, knocks, ticks, or has a delayed startup sound when it's cold, that's your engine telling you something's wrong. It could be timing chain tensioners, a weak oil pump, worn lifters, or low oil pressure. Catching these problems early is the difference between a $150 repair and a $3,000 rebuild. Never ignore strange noises on cold starts. Another habit that saves people thousands is checking engine mounts. When mounts wear out, the engine shifts around more than it should, causing vibrations that damage hoses, connectors, and even the exhaust system. The longer it's ignored, the more expensive the repairs become. A mechanic can check mounts in just a few minutes, and replacing a worn mount early, well, it saves you from cascading damage. Finally, one of the biggest engine-saving habits is letting your car warm up properly, not idling for 10 minutes like old advice says, but giving it 30 to 60 seconds before driving and avoiding hard acceleration until the temperature rises. Cold oil just doesn't lubricate well, and flooring the gas on a cold engine wears out bearings, pistons, and rings faster than almost anything else. If you follow these simple habits, your engine will run smoother, last longer, and avoid the costly failures that destroy most cars long before they should. And the best part? Every single step is cheap or completely free. If this video helped you, hit the like button, and if you want more simple habits that keep your engine running like new for years, subscribe to the channel. Your next expensive repair bill might be the one you never have to pay.